Hi, welcome everyone. Today in our studio we are learning how to draw moderator graphs. So hopefully the tutorial of econistics.com will help you how to run the appropriate codes and get a neat diagram of moderator model. So while we are discussing, we will also tell you what is the moderator model in brief, and you can explore more tutorials at econistics.com regarding details of moderator model. So in order to estimate a moderator model, you need to load few important libraries that include library read excel for the loading of data file, library tidyverse to do the manipulation in the data if required, and library rockchalk that is used to draw the graph. So if I execute these three libraries, it will be loaded in the computer, and since they were already loaded here, so they were not shown. They are not showing any other output because they are already loaded. Now I am going to read the data file. It's df equal to read.xl and the directory of the data file. So my data file includes data of country names and their codes and the years and the life expectancy of that country, consumption as a consumption per person per capita in that country, infant mortality rate in the country, GDP, real GDP of that country, number of athletes that presented in the Olympics, number of gold medals, silver medals, and bronze medals, and the index of these athletes, gold and silver. So it's a sports index. So this is a unique paper that is discussing the role of those. The model behind study is that usually the consumption represents the utility of individuals, and we assume that since they are spending at their will, so their consumption may decrease the life expectancy because they do not know how to spend it well. But the sporting participation is expected to increase the change the slope from positive negative to positive. It means if the individuals are participating in sports, so their consumption patterns are also healthy, so the increase in consumption while controlling for the Olympic participation leads to increase in life expectancy, or other way around. If the consumption is controlled for increasing sporting participation leads positive effect of consumption on life expectancy. So let us draw this. So first of all, I am converting these variables into natural log form because the units are different. I am converting into natural log, so they are normalized and the units are homogeneous. Okay, so I'm running a regression that you already learned how to do a regression analysis in our studio. So the model 1 equal to linear model life expectancy equal to consumption plus consumption into index. So if I execute this, it will estimate a model and store it in model 1. So if I do the summary, so let's see how it is shown here. So if I move it up, so you can see that moderator model is represented by one linear variable which has a, so it is saying us that increase in consumption has a negative effect on life expectancy. So the more we consume food, the less life we are expected to have. It means we are not optimizing our consumption patterns, but the cross product shown here, consumption and index, is positive. So it means the while assuming the consumption patterns constant, if we are more inclined towards sports as a nation, the more our consumption will be health oriented and it will have a positive effect. So this is a moderator model. So what is, how we can understand, the index variable is multiplied with the independent variable, so both of them are continuous variables. So the index, the cross product, is actually explaining how the slope of consumption variable will change if the index is increasing or decreasing. So this is a way briefly we can explain how a moderator model works. So the command that is used here is plot curves model 1. So it will pick the model 1 up and it will plot x variable as consumption, y variable as index, and it will pick standard deviations of the variable and plot the confidence interval, and it will give a appropriate title. So if I execute this, so you can see this graph. If I, let me make it bigger, so you can see here is that the m plus sd is the green line, and it means that one standard deviation increase in the sporting participation. So as you can see here is, originally the blue line is the negative slope, so it means increase in consumption is decreasing life expectancy with the blue line, and green line is one standard deviation increase in the supporting participation, the index value. So you can see it is becoming positive. So this is showing that the increase in moderator is helping to increase in the to shift the negative effect of the consumption towards positive effect. So this way we can plot moderator graphs, and this command is useful because it also gives you the first of all, it can be drawn in based upon standard deviations. You can use some other method by exploring its library. Secondly, it gives you confidence intervals. So here we can see that since the confidence interval of blue and green are not overlapping each other in the increasing portion, so we can assume that they are different to each other. So it means the moderator effect is significant. Hopefully, so you understood this graph of moderator model using RStudio. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.